Hello, boys and girls. It is time for our letter of the day. I told you the other day we've just got a few letters left. This is one of our last ones. We have one more we'll do after Christmas break. This is also the last letter in the alphabet. When you say the ABCs, this is the last letter you say. What is the name of this letter? Does anybody know? It's the letter Z. Say that with me. Z. Z. Z is a consonant. It just makes one sound. Z says Z. Z says Z. See if you can say that with me. Z says Z. Z says Z. Here's our alpha friend for the letter Z. Her name is Zelda Zebra. Do you hear those Z sounds in her name? Zelda Zebra. Her head and her neck and her body are shaped like a lowercase z. If you look at her on the other side, you can still kind of picture that Z on top of her body. We're going to read a story about another zebra. I want you to listen to the title and see if you hear any other Z sounds. This is called Zach the Lazy Zebra. Do you hear these Z sounds in that title? I heard one in Zach and zebra. And if you listen very carefully, you can hear one in the middle of lazy. It has a Z in the middle. Here's an uppercase Z and a lowercase z at the top. They both say Z. And I want you to get your listening ears turned on and see what other Z sounds you hear in our story about Zach. Zach the zebra lives at the zoo all day long. What does Zach do? Zzz, zzz, zzz. The zookeepers bring a zebra snack, but it doesn't wake up Zach. Zach has no zest. He wants to rest. Zzz, zzz, zzz. They're trying to feed him zucchini and ziti. Still not waking up. They zap Zach with a garden hose. They bang a drum. They tickle his nose. Zach's eyes stay closed. He wants to doze. Zzz, zzz, zzz. They try a zillion zany tricks. They hop around on pogo sticks. Zach thinks their tricks are boring. He goes right on snoring. Zzz, zzz, zzz. Look, here comes Zed, a zebra with zing. He zooms and zigzags around everything. Will Zed make Zach wake up and leap? No, now two zebras want to sleep. Zzz, zzz, zzz. At last, the zookeepers give up their schemes. They wish Zach and Zed sweet zebra dreams. Zzz, zzz, zzz. How many things can you find that begin with the letter Z? I'll give you a few minutes to look. You can text me what you see. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 5 Z words with that Z sound. All right, here's our Z cheer. I'm going to say it, and when I point, you say it back to me. You ready? Z is for zebra. Z is for zoo. Z is for zucchini. And ZD too. Z is for zipper. Z is for zap. Z is for zzz. When you nap. Hooray for Z! Big and small. The zippiest, zaniest letter of all. Good job. What is the name of that letter? Z. And Z says Z. All right, we're going to do our Z sound page. We know what to do on these pages. You are only going to color the pictures that begin with the Z sound, which is Z. I'm going to say the name of the pictures just so you're sure, and then you're only going to color the pictures where you hear the Z sound. We've got zebra, shovel, zipper, zither, van, zero, wagon, zoo, bee, and zucchini. Only color the pictures that begin with the Z sound, Z. And tomorrow we will learn how to write the letter Z. I will see you then.